The northeastern region of India, comprising the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Sikkim, is known for its unique and diverse population, distinct from the rest of the country. These differences in physical appearance, culture, and traditions are the result of a complex interplay of historical, geographical, and social factors. We'll delve into the reasons why Northeast Indians may appear different from their counterparts in mainland India. 1. Ethnically diverse population. One of the most prominent reasons for the differences in appearance between Northeast Indians and those in mainland India is the region's extraordinary ethnic diversity. The Northeast is home to hundreds of distinct ethnic groups, each with its own customs, languages, and physical traits. These groups often have unique genetic lineages that have evolved over centuries, contributing to their distinct appearances. 2. Geographical isolation. The northeastern region is geographically isolated from the rest of India by the Himalayan mountain range to the north and dense forests to the east and south. This isolation has allowed for the preservation of unique genetic traits and cultural practices. The isolation also contributed to the development of diverse gene pools and, consequently, differences in physical appearances. 3. Indigenous populations. Many of the tribes and communities in the Northeast are indigenous, with deep-rooted historical ties to the land. They often possess distinctive physical characteristics that have been preserved through generations. For example, the Bodo people of Assam and the Naga tribes have unique physical traits. 4. Tibetan and Southeast Asian influences. The northeastern states share borders with countries like Tibet, Bhutan, Myanmar, and China, as well as Southeast Asian nations. Over the centuries, there has been cultural and genetic exchange between these regions, contributing to the Northeast's diverse physical attributes. In areas bordering Tibet and Bhutan, there may be individuals with Tibetan or Bhutanese features. 5. Historical migration patterns. The Northeast has a long history of migrations, with groups moving into and out of the region. Some groups have distinct appearances due to their historical migrations, which brought them into contact with various cultures and genetic influences. For instance, some communities in Assam and Manipur may have closer genetic ties to people in Southeast Asia. 6. Climate and environment. The northeastern region experiences a different climate compared to the rest of India. The combination of the humid subtropical climate, abundant rainfall, and hilly terrain can impact the physical characteristics of the population. For example, people in the region may have adaptations to the climate, such as specific skin tones or body proportions. 7. Cultural and traditional attire. The traditional clothing and adornments of Northeast Indian communities can also contribute to their distinct appearance. Various tribes have their unique clothing styles, jewelry, and body adornments that may affect how they look to outsiders. 8. Dietary habits. Diet plays a significant role in determining physical attributes. The northeastern cuisine includes a diverse range of foods, including rice, fish, meats, and a wide variety of vegetables. Dietary habits can influence body types, facial features, and overall appearance. 9. Genetic diversity. The genetic diversity in the region, stemming from centuries of isolation, migrations, and intermixing among different groups, has led to a wide range of physical traits among Northeast Indians. This diversity is reflective of the broader tapestry of human genetic variation. 10. Influence of Buddhism and other religions. Buddhism, along with other indigenous and tribal belief systems, has had a significant influence on the culture and way of life in the Northeast. Certain religious practices may include distinctive clothing, hairstyles, and physical adornments, further contributing to the unique appearances of various communities. 11. Cross-border interactions. The northeastern states have historically had cultural interactions and trade with neighboring countries, including China, Myanmar, and Bhutan. These interactions have influenced the people's physical appearances and cultural practices. 12. Colonial influence. During the colonial period, the British and other European powers established a presence in some parts of the Northeast. This historical contact with the West may have led to some degree of intermixing and the introduction of Western physical traits in certain communities. 13. Modernization and urbanization. In recent years, urbanization and modernization have brought about changes in lifestyle and appearance. In urban areas of the Northeast, you may find a blend of traditional and modern attire and physical appearances influenced by global fashion and beauty standards. In conclusion, the diverse and unique physical appearances of Northeast Indians compared to those in mainland India are a reflection of the region's rich tapestry of ethnicities, historical migrations, geographical isolation, and cultural influences.